What's up, everybody? It's your boy Midwest Flesh. Today I'm taking you on an adventure of a place. I got Machete Eddie with me, my son. Taking you on a place that I frequented many times growing up in this neighborhood. This used to be the drugstore where we would come. We would buy magazines, medicine, you name it. They sold a little bit of everything. I remember this side right here was always like the cosmetics. So I'm gonna walk through. Watch yourself, Eddie. Look at all this stuff left in here. Potty chairs.
It's trippy.
That's wild.
For real.
It's not for a while. We're finally in here. Watch that light by that front window here. Even though they're kind of covered. Look at all this stuff left in here, guys. Wow. Hairbrushes. Whole cash register. Back here was the pharmacy part right here. One of the wheelchairs. Alcohol. Shoes. Look at this old stand. Pharmacy's closed, guys. All kinds of stuff here. Medical supplies. Look at it's caved in. The whole floor is caved in over here. Check that out. Pharmacy. I remember this place well. Wild. Look, the fourth caving in here too. Look at that, guys. See where we come in, the magazines were there. The front counter used to be up back up there at the cash register. Look at all that stuff too. That medical. Yeah, this floor's caving in. This building's toast, bro. That's caving in, this is gonna cave in, that's caving in. I'm getting off this side. Look at this. Medical supplies, clothes, wrapping paper, you name it. It's all here. Man, all the stuff's down here. That's wild. Let's walk back up this way. There's some good brushes, beads. Man, I'm surprised all this stuff's still in here. I'm surprised people haven't ran through this. That looks old school right there. But yeah, guys, I used to shop here when I was a kid. I used to come here. I was probably in this place at least once every day. At least. There's the mannequin heads. Well, that one's got a face on it.
That's wild.
Jackpot.
Oh. Sick. Not that line, most of it
Oh, somebody came through there. Cigarettes. Yeah, I'm not walking inside this part. It's starting to cave in. This is it though, guys. Front door. Come through. Make sure nobody sees you in that window already. This is it. Here's some shirts. It blows my mind, all this stuff in here still. This blows my mind, all this stuff still in here. I'm surprised nobody's taking this stuff. All right, what do you think about that? Abandoned drugstore, pharmacy slash beauty supplies.
There's so much more stuff in here than I thought there would be.
Yeah, I told you it was full. I've seen a couple people has been in here already.
It's wild.
There it is, you guys. Look, Dracula nails. They're all melted. This is some baby lotion. Some medicated tar shampoo. Some Dracula nails.
Hey, Dad,
Hmm.
you need some cream for your bumps?
Some bump cream?
Some bump cream?
I don't think so. Need some activator. I remember me and mom used to use this stuff for gray hair. Alright, that's about it, man. What else is there? This is it, guys. Abandoned. All this inventory.
Look at these rubber bands. They're like melting together.
Uh-huh. Where do we get out of here?
Yeah.
It's cool, huh? Let's see what else. Let's look close at some stuff. Yeah, there's a bump stopper. There's some floss.
Give me a shout, yeah.
This place is wild, man. There it is, guys. Old pharmacy. Many memories coming in this place as a kid. It looked totally different, though. It was really different. I remember the big aisles. And they had all the magazines and candy, and then all the medicine stuff was over there. And then the pharmacy, go get your medicine. And then back here, they had all kinds of other stuff, like wheelchairs and stuff. But yeah, that's it. That's it. Barrettes and stuff. Beads for the hair dye, pillows. Well, that's about it, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up, and me and Eddie gonna get out of here, and we'll see you on the next adventure. 30% off diapers. What does it look like?
Just bare. Just like trash.
Just empty?
The stairs can be weird.
Yeah, fuck that, Eddie. Come on. I don't trust that. Look at that water damage.
Yeah.
That means that's all gonna cave in. These are like the offices and shit up here in the apartments.
Well,
Midwest Flush. Machete Eddie. Huh?
you broke that drywall.
There's the basement. Do we dare check it out?
I'm down. It'll be easy here though.
Yeah. Whoa, there's that floor caved in. Old registers and stuff. There's all kinds of shit down here. Dude, this is creepy. The old machine. That's that floor that caved in. What's those carts saying on? Goldblatts. Wow, check that out. Goldblatts. Look at all this stuff over here, dude. All the old shells. Damn. That's full of stuff in here. Look at that. Even going through there. I don't trust that floor up there for one. For two, I don't know what the hell's down here.
That's true.
But there's that old storage. Goldblatts, man, that's old school. Goldblatts, hold on. Get out of here.